With thousands of installations across the globe, the Clarity Matrix LCD video wall system has delivered superior performance and mission-critical reliability for almost every vertical market and application. In a commitment to advancing technology and delivering on the award-winning reputation of Clarity Matrix, Liard and Planar are excited to introduce the next-generation Clarity Matrix G3 LCD video wall system. The all-new Clarity Matrix G3 combines the industry's thinnest profile and ultra-narrow bezel LCD with groundbreaking improvements to video processing, installation, management, and off-board electronics. Clarity Matrix G3's off-board system features the Liard remote power supply, the new built-in Liard video controller, and web-based Liard Wall Director software with Wall Sync to deliver unrivaled video wall processing capabilities, including source scaling with multiple 4K at 60 Hz signals via Planar Big Picture Plus, 4K Quad View, 4K Picture-in-Picture, supports the latest in 4K connectivity standards, perfect synchronization with Genlock technology. Learn more about this best-in-class LCD video wall solution at planar.com/matrixg3 or liard.com/matrixg3.